Hello viewers, I hope you all guys are doing well. Our topic is how to use computer keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device in which all the types of the computer near discussed are like a smartphone and the tablets even use and the on-screen keyboard. This page is designed to help new computer users become more familiar and efficient with their keyboards. For more new users, we suggest reading through all the sections below and doing all the projects. Page contents. Connecting the keyboard. How to turn on the keyboard. Familiarizing yourself to the keyboard. Overview of each section of the keyboard. Starting typing and how to passion hands correctly error. Deleting text or the letter and one word at a time. Using the arrow key to the move around. Uppercase, lowercase, all cases. Typing memory and the symbols above numbers, getting to the beginning and end of a line, highlights text using the keyboard, copy and the paste text using the keyboard using the 10 key, keyboard shortcut, additional practice tenses. Connecting the keyboard. Before you can use the keyboard, it must be connected properly to the computer. If you have a new computer and the need connecting the keyboard for the keyboard is not working, see our first connecting and install a keyboard. How to turn on keyboard. All the computer keyboards with a cord connected with the computer and automatically turn on when the computer turn on. However, if you have a wireless keyboard, it cannot be turned on and the turn off converts the batteries. To turn these keyboards on, flip the keyboard over a look at the back of the keyboard. Near the bottom or the top of the keyboard should can be switch that can be moved to the on or the off position. Tip. You can test its computer in on the pressing the caps lock, scroll roll or the number lock keys and looking for the indicated light as keys are the enable or the disable. A light should turn and off. If you are unable to get any light to keyboard is not working, for help which the troubleshooting a keyboard, see what did not any key on the keyboard work. Familiarizing yourself with the keyboard. Below is the overview of the keyboard desktop. This picture shows the major sections of the keyboard. Each section is explained in detail below. Overview of each section of the keyboard. Alphanumeric keyboard. The alphanumeric keyboard is the primary portion of the keyboard with letter, number and the punctuations and some symbols keys. Today, most users of the QWERTY keyboards is shown in the illustration. You can also turn it if you are using a QWERTY keyboard by looking at the first 6 letters to see if they spell QWERTY. Each of the group of the alphanumeric is portioned on rows of the keys. Most keyboards have 6 rows of the of keys with the figure resting on the home row. Other keyboards row include the function key, number key, top row, bottom row and the space bar. See the link below for the full listing of the each key and the symbol and their functions. Function keys. The functions key of the F5 through F12 or the F19 key are used in the program as key shortcut to the frequently perform tasks. For example, the F5 key is the key to open the online help or the most programs. On some keyboards, the function keys are the activate additional function of the computer used in the combination with the Fn key. The function key are the activate have functions like changing screen brightness, accessing media, control for the turning of the computer. Control and toggle keys. The control keys and the toggle key give the user additional control keys and the text manipulating cursor placement. They may be used as keyboard shortcut in many programs. Here control keys definition and the additional information and examples. Tips. Control key and the central control key are different. Keypad. Although not available in the computer keyboard, especially laptops and the keyboards give the other quick access of the number and the more functions such as the plus, divide, time and the subtract. See the numeric keyboard page for the further information, pics and the install links. Wrist pad. In our example picture, the static keyboard has a wrist pad intended to help support the user wrists. Although many keyboards include a wrist pad, hundreds of the different options can be purchase at a computer store on the online. Where to buy computer hardware parts.